So let me show you how you can add a border to your Instagram stories. And of course we're gonna use CutCut Pro. Let's open it. We're gonna go to a new project. Let's tap on the plus sign, create. Just keep in mind you can also add borders to a regular video like landscape mode, but in this case, since we're making an Instagram story, we're gonna use portrait. Tap on done, and then you're gonna have your new project. I'm gonna add an Instagram story that I already have created before, and it's right here, this one. Then you're gonna double tap on the video, and then you're gonna go to the bottom right here. You gotta tap on this little square, and then you can pick the color that you want. In this case I'm gonna use orange, and then I'm gonna select the thickness 20. I'm gonna save it, high quality, and now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna make the border super thick, and it's just to I'm doing this so you can see the difference between thickness and all that between the two stories. I'm gonna save this one again, and now we're gonna compare one to another and see what you can do with this app. So here we have the two stories, and let's play them. Oh, this Instagram story looks very nice actually. The color goes very well with the rest of the photo. Let's play this one. And there you have it. I don't use borders in my Instagram stories, but if just in case you wanna add borders, here you have this video. I don't use them a lot, but maybe your Instagram stories need some borders, or you wanna make a border, so this is how you can make it. CutCut Pro. Thanks for your time, and if you wanna support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.